So now we finished the keyword research process, it's a good idea to go through our spreadsheet and remove any irrelevant or duplicate keywords. As I'm not sure about you, but when it comes to keyword research, I get super excited. I come across a great keyword and I'm like, yep, let's chuck that on the spreadsheet. I'll come across some more keywords, they'll get added, it goes on and on and on. And before I know it, I've got tons and tons of keywords on my spreadsheet, which, as you can imagine, makes your life a little bit harder when it comes to reviewing all the data, as the more keywords you have, the more data you have to review, right? So it's always best practice to just clean up your spreadsheet and make sure that all the keywords you have on it are indeed relevant to your website. So for example, without even scrolling, I can see an irrelevant keyword right here on row 27, travel yoga mat Amazon. Now, the search intent behind this keyword obviously relates to Amazon. If someone types in travel yoga mat Amazon, then they are looking for a travel yoga mat which is sold on Amazon. As we are not Amazon, then this is not really a good keyword to have on our spreadsheet as it's not relevant to our website. So let's go ahead and see if we have any other keywords which reference the word Amazon. So to do that, it's very easy. Just go over to our filters. Again, change that to contains and simply enter the word Amazon. And as you can see, we have a few more occurrences of keywords that mention the word Amazon. So all I'm going to do is simply delete these from our spreadsheet, as like I said, these are not relevant. So let's go back and clear that filter, and that should have removed all the keywords which mention Amazon. And you can see it's done that because we have clear gaps in our rows, so just blank rows where the keyword was initially. So that's really good. So again, it's just kind of the same process. You just go through your keywords, see which ones are relevant and which ones are not relevant, and simply get those removed from your spreadsheet. Now, when it comes to removing duplicates, the thing I like to do is go to the top of the spreadsheet, make sure you go to data and then filter by A to Z. And what this is going to do is show you all the keywords in alphabetical order. And anytime you see a duplicate keyword, you simply just remove it from your spreadsheet. For example, I can see a duplicate on row 26 and on row 27, anti-slip yoga mat towel. So let's go ahead and delete one of those as that is a duplicate. Let's scroll down and see if we can find any more. These two look pretty similar, but they're a little bit different. We've got two cheap yoga mats. So again, let's delete one of these and hopefully get the idea here. You just go through all of your keywords and remove all of the duplicates. Now this applies to your theme tabs as well. So where we have towels, you can see we've got tons of keywords. It would be exactly the same thing. Filter by A to Z. Remove any duplicates that you have. So we've got best yoga mat towel here and we've got it here again. So of course we need to remove one of them so it's no longer a duplicate. And go through the same thing for all of your tabs. And of course, check the tabs as well to see if you have any relevant keywords such as Amazon, maybe a keyword like this, Australia, maybe you're not targeting Australia, maybe you're based in the United States and you only service United States. So if that is the case, then this is obviously going to be an irrelevant keyword. So this is really important to do. Please do make sure you take quite a bit of time going through your keywords, as it's going to make your life so much more easier when it comes to doing the on-page SEO, which we're going to cover later on in the course.